Today I want to show you the difference between traditional dependency management tools like Renovate and what Ona can do with its full development environment approach. Let me start by showing you this pull request that Renovate created. As you can see, Renovate has detected that Jest needs to be updated from version 29 to version 30. It's bumped the version number in our package.json file. But here's the problem. If we look at the CI checks, and you can see that they're failing, and this is where we hit the fundamental limits of tools like Renovate. Renovate is excellent at detecting when dependencies need updates, essentially a smart notification system. However, Renovate can't actually fix the code when there are breaking changes. And this is where Ona's approach is fundamentally different. Let me step into Gitpod and paste my prompt here, which is going to ask Ona to go through, find that failing Renovate PR, fix it, and analyze any logs in order to do so. Let's go ahead and kick that job off. As Ona starts its work, let's go and have a look at what it's actually done so far. So first of all, Ona has been able to create its own secure environment. Now that Ona has its own environment, it's also able to use the GitHub CLI to list out any pull requests to find the right one that it needs to swap over to run the actual changes for the Jest fix. Ona is then able to add the changes, commit them, and also push them back to the branch. If we go back to our pull request, we can see that change has now been pushed from Ona, and we can also see that the tests are now rerunning. And there we have it. Those tests have passed. If I go back to my pull request, I now have a mergeable pull request completed by Ona with zero human intervention. When Ona handles a dependency update like this, it doesn't just bump the version. It understands what changed, applies the necessary code fixes, runs the test suite to validate everything works, and ensures the CI pipeline passes before creating the pull request. So you get a working, tested solution instead of a failing pull request that requires manual intervention. That transforms what would typically be a 4 to 5 hour manual task for an engineer into a 30-minute automated process with Ona. And there you have it. Thank you very much.